When the surf gets big in San Diego, everybody comes out to check it out. This is Ocean Beach, San Diego, and every year or two the waves just get huge. Back in 2005, I was a pretty cocky little surfer. I had a thruster shortboard, and I tried to paddle out in Carlsbad into some 15-foot waves. I got absolutely destroyed. But these waves break so big that there's just no way to surf them. It's total whitewash everywhere, but it's an amazing sight to see. I'm gonna take the drone up and give you some shots to see what it looks like from air. And I got some footage from the land too, so enjoy. Little difficult to appreciate how amazing these waves are, how much power is in them, and how dangerous it would be to be in the water. But if you ever see a big surf forecast like this, make sure it's safe to go down and check it out. Thanks for watching this video, and feel free to subscribe or like or follow along for more content. Take care.